15 ways to help your busy mother out around the house. Does your mother always seem to be really busy? Your mother puts a lot of effort into maintaining your home for you and your family. By helping out around the house, you may let her know how much you value her. It would not only make your mother happy, but it will also help you develop your abilities and learn responsibility. Keep watching to see some easy tasks you may start doing right away to assist your mother. Things you should know. Firstly, make your mother happy by tidying up after yourself. Clean up any messes you've made on your desk, in your room, or on your bed. Secondly, assist your mother with the domestic duties she usually does. For instance, take out the garbage or arrange the table. Thirdly, if you're unsure what you can do to assist your mother, ask her. She'll likely be quite appreciative of your kindness. Tidy up clutter in your room. Your mom will appreciate you if you pick up any dropped items. Are there any books, toys, or blankets on the floor in your room? Pick them up, then place them where they belong. Do the same thing in your family room or playroom if those areas are appearing congested. Do you have any glasses or dishes in your room? Take them to the kitchen to be washed to assist your mother.
Organize your schoolwork. For your papers and backpack, designate a distinct space. Make a designated location in your room to put your schoolwork if you typically scatter your papers and books about the room. This could be a desk or simply a place in the room where you can store your backpack and stack your textbooks. Not only does having a homework area help your room appear cleaner, but it also makes it simpler to locate the items you need to get ready for school in the morning. Make your bed. Make your bed appear attractive to maintain the aesthetic appeal of your space. Spend a few minutes arranging your pillows and blankets once you awaken in the morning. To get it ready for you to drift off to sleep in, make your bed as neatly as you can. Take the sheets off your bed and place them in the laundry pile if you know your mother will be doing laundry later. To keep your linens looking and smelling good, try to wash them once a week at the very least. Set the table for dinner. Before you settle down to dine, gather plates, silverware, and napkins. Dinner for you and your family was probably a labor of love for your mother. Set the table and make sure everyone has what they need for the meal to assist her. Water cups can also be poured for each person seated at the table. Feed and walk the pets. Help with animal care so that your mother won't have to. Does your family own a dog, cat, bird, fish, or any other eating animal? When it's time to feed them, take their food and give them the appropriate portion. If you're unsure, ask your mother for guidance. Ensure that they are all drinking water, and if necessary, take them for a walk. Inside the home, you might also play retrieve or with toys.